So we're talking quickly about high availability. There's really three places that we can land here. There's availability, where the app is available. If a server goes offline, there's a high likelihood that that service will no longer be reachable. There's high availability, which can withstand losing a single or a group of servers. And then there's I can lose an entire provider and still stay online. And that's where most people land on Cycle. By deploying to multiple providers, they're able to withstand even a full provider-wide outage. Even if they don't take advantage of multi-cloud per se, they can still deploy to multiple regions, which could be even much more highly available than what they currently have. So just taking a quick look here, we're back to our demo environment. I've removed that initial container. We're just going to deploy what we're going to call a website container, right? This is just a stateful container. It runs a basic web page. What's inside of it really isn't so important right now. What I'm going to show you is this high availability option, and we're going to spread this out to 10 instances, right? And we're going to select getting started from our list. This is just a very basic container, like I mentioned, and we'll leave the networking as it is. And so what's going to happen when I deploy this container is that those instances are going to be spread. So we've got instances on AWS, instances on Vultr, instances on GCP. So you can see that those instances are spread across multiple providers. Let's go ahead and start that container. Okay, and you can see all of those come out just as normal. Now, we can also move highly available services. And I'm just going to move this to enable so that the load balancer will start automatically on environment start. And then I'm going to start the environment again here. And the load balancer will start to pop on. You can see it's been assigned its IPs, and we have one instance of the load balancer and one instance of Discovery. The nice thing here is that I can pop in and just immediately click high availability. And now I'm looking at a load balancer on both GCP and Vultr. Zero additional configuration, zero additional work. It's all just meant to work by default. Discovery is the same story. Although the Discovery high availability, I believe this will push out to 3 instances by default. Let's see here, did I save that? Might not have clicked that all enough. So let's see if that updated. Looks like it did. We're on dev, so I'm going to give this a refresh. Sometimes dev falls a little bit behind, but no worries. And there we are. So we've got GCP, AWS, and Vultr. So now we have 3 instances of our Discovery. So you can see how the power of multi-cloud is really easy to take advantage of, especially when it comes to high availability on Cycle.